It's the weekend, and we're in the heart of Istanbul, Taksim Square. Tonight, we're heading to KFC to see what this iconic fast food chain has to offer in this vibrant location. Let's check it out. Hey everyone. We're here at KFC Taksim Square, and I'm so excited to grab dinner here tonight. The energy in this area is amazing: street performers, vibrant lights, and people from all around the world. Let's head inside and see what's on the menu. The vibe inside is modern and welcoming. It's busy, but the service is quick, and the menu looks so tempting. So, here's what I'm getting tonight. The double down dog, some crispy fries, and of course, a drink to wash it all down. KFC in Turkey offers some unique menu items, like double down dog, so I had to try it out. Alright, first bite of the double down dog. Let's see how it tastes. The chicken is perfectly crispy and flavorful, just what you'd expect from KFC. The double down dog is a must-try. It's got that local twist that makes it extra special. The fries are golden and crispy, and this drink pairs perfectly with the meal. Honestly, this is such a satisfying dinner after exploring Taksim Square. What makes this KFC experience even better is the location. Being right here in Taksim Square, you're surrounded by the buzz of the city, making it more than just a dinner. It's an experience. After dinner, it's the perfect time to take a stroll around Taksim Square, soak in the energy, and maybe grab a dessert from one of the nearby spots. That wraps up my weekend dinner at KFC Taksim Square. The food was delicious, and the atmosphere here is unbeatable. If you're ever in Istanbul, I definitely recommend stopping by. Thank you for joining me on this mini food adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more foodie and travel vlogs. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying great food.